Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 2007 through 2017 Jeep Patriot. We're changing the window regulator, which is really a pain. You've got a screw there and a screw behind there. The screw under the chrome handle is longer. You're going to take off that speaker cover. And when you take out these bolts and screws, try to keep track of the orientation of where they go so that you know to put them back, because there are a few different sizes. That one's longer, so I'm showing you that. It's a little bit longer. Then you've got 4 on the speaker, 2 shorter and 2 longer. So keep track of which ones go where. Now, a couple things. You're going to pull down this panel, and if all you want to do is lock the back window up, and a lot of people just want to do that, they don't want to fix it. You can just slide the glass up and drill a hole right there to, after you slide the glass up, to lock it in place. And you can drill a hole, put in a screw, you don't have to worry about it at all. Unplug the motor so you don't accidentally try to put it down. But if you want to change it, you can follow the rest of this video, and good luck with that. So you've got 10mm bolts all around, but there are a few different styles. I'm not sure how much it matters, but try to keep track of where you took them out of. You'll need a magnet for this too, by the way. Then you've got a, I want to say Torx 20, that's facing the other direction right there. You'll need to remove that. So you'll need a small bit socket to go ahead and take that screw out. And then you don't have to take the latch out, otherwise you're going to take the latch out, and we don't want to do that. So by doing this, you can go ahead and just slide that white plastic retainer off so you can get it out, like that. Then you're lifting it up. I'm not sure if I missed something here or not. Nope, I guess not. You've got a rod on the other side that goes to the silver, the chrome handle. So you're going to remove that rod. And you'll have to probably remove the indicator knob. Be careful, don't break it off. You're going to need that again. And then you've got a rod that goes to the latch that you can easily remove. I didn't show this, but believe me, this is not the biggest problem of getting this regulator in. So. And you've got a clip at the bottom of the regulator. It's a white plastic clip. You're going to pull that off, and then you can pull the panel off of that metal post. Which I think I just did. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor. Go ahead and like the video. That will help other people who are searching for it find it as well. All right, so now we've got the regulator and the glass. So slide it down a little bit. You'll see a nub in that plastic plate. You can take an awl or a flathead screwdriver and slide and punch that out. Just punch that off. Then you can put the glass up, get it out of the way, get a suction cup, Harbor Freight tools, $3, good deal. Getting the regulator out is easy. Here's the new one. It's a used one, but I'm putting in the used one for him. we're going to put that screw in, and I'm putting the bottom screw in too, I think, just so I can get the glass into the regulator properly. But that was, the bottom screw's got to, the bottom bolt's got to come out to put the panel back on. You slide that in, lock it in. You're putting the panel on and then bolting in the regulator. Totally strange. Weirdest way to do it. Let's plug in the motor. I'm sure everything's good there. That part's easy. Now, you're going to put the door panel back on. This video, by the way, is double speed. I'm not really that fast. So I need to put on that lock indicator knob. So I'm going to probably put the rod into it first and then turn it to get it in the right place. Sorry, there's no better photos of the other side of this, but this is a working farm. I have to actually do the work, and then I get the videos. Just struggling with those rods a bit. Sliding that plastic retainer that goes to the latch in. Now, here's the hard part. Getting those bolts to line up. That did not line up. Because again, you're putting them on with the regulator already installed into the door. So I took a punch, to line up the hole. And you're going to you're going to see this for a few minutes. So if you want to skip ahead, you're welcome to. I didn't cut it out. But that's the problem, is getting the bolts in after the panel's on. Because you've got to move and you've got to move the regulator up and down a little bit. One way you can do that is put the suction cup back on the glass, and then you can use the switch to move the body of the regulator up or down an inch. Because if the suction cup's on there, the glass will stay and the regulator itself will move. And that might make it easier. There's no easy way about this. Now we're putting the switch back on. Yeah, I think this is what I was suggesting to you. Go ahead and put it up and down. As you can see from the fact my blue awl is still in there, I have not gotten that bolt in yet. Still haven't gotten it yet. Trying to lift it up a little bit. Let's try it again. Oh, looks good this time. Now I gotta get the bottom one in. Again, reminder, go ahead and like the video if this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, ask right here on YouTube. I'll be glad to answer them when I have a chance. If you're in Tampa Bay and you don't want to do this and you want me to do it, give me a call, Power Up Auto. Glad to do it for you. Okay, so there's a 10mm bolt down on the right hand side that you can't see, but it's there, you'll see it. That one's pretty easy to get in. That does not go to the regulator. There's just a few that go to the regulator itself. Tightening everything down. By the way, try the chrome handle before you put it all back together. I think I'm going to put that Torx 20 screw back in. You don't really have to, but what the hell, it was there. If you're looking for the right rear, I believe I have a video for that too. Same concept though. Put the speaker back in. Remember, 2 of the bolts are long, 2 of the bolts are short for that speaker. So just make sure you get the right ones. I'm sure you kept them in order though. Just tightening down that Torx 20 screw. And the rest of this I think you'll figure out. So thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it, and have a great day.